Why does it take 6+ months of training to become an OR nurse? We have to know how to work all of this equipment, including robots, endoscopy towers, microscopes, cautery machines, suction systems, tourniquets, syringe pumps, x ray machines, fluid warmers, and patient warmers. We have to know what all of these supplies are, each specialty with dozens of unique supplies. The names of hundreds of instruments that also vary by specialty and company. Surgical count. The proper way to do surgical counts of both the instruments and the supplies that are used on the field. How to position patients safely for long surgeries with these devices. And finally, you have to be good at Tetris to make all these things fit safely in one room.